Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tonight, I want to talk to you about some spring cleaning. That's right, spring has sprung. It is upon us. It is now April. That means April showers are bringing the Mayflowers, and that means spring is here. So, what are some of the things that go down in the springtime? Well, one of the biggest ones is spring cleaning. So, I want to help you take your spring cleaning and turn that into a financial benefit. Why? And how? Well, today you're going to discover the 10 ways to sell items from your home and make extra cash. Since we all need extra cash and we need to clean out that closet, well, we might as well do them both at the same time. So, in this video, we're going to go over all that and maybe a little bit more. So, get out your popcorn. Let's run it. Discover 10 ways to sell items from your home and make extra cash. Do you have unwanted items cluttering up your home? Why not turn them into some extra cash? See, selling items in your home can be a great way to declutter and make some money. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 ways to sell items from the online marketplaces to garage sales and consignment shops. So whether you're looking to make some quick cash, you just want to get rid of some items, we got you covered. So the first is online marketplaces. See, with platforms like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and so many more, you have access to huge audiences of potential buyers. Plus, you can sell items from the comfort and the privacy of your own home. The second way is a garage sale. See, hosting a garage sale or yard sale is a classic way to sell unwanted items. With social media and local classified ads, you can easily spread the word around and attract buyers. The third would be consignment shops. Consignment shops will sell your items for you and take a percentage of the sale as a price commission. This is a great option if you don't have the time or energy to sell the items yourself. The fourth is a secondhand store. See, some secondhand stores will purchase the items from you outright, especially if they're in good condition or in demand. This is a good option if you want to get rid of items quickly and you don't mind receiving a lower price. The fifth would be Facebook Marketplace. See, Facebook Marketplace is a free platform that allows you to sell items to people in your local community. It is a great way to reach a large audience without having to pay anything for advertising. Craigslist. Well, Craigslist is also a popular classified ad website where you can sell items to people in your local area. It is simple and it's straightforward. There's also LetGo. LetGo is a mobile app that lets you sell items locally. It is free to use. It has a large user base, making it a great option for selling items quickly. Number 8 is OfferUp. OfferUp is another mobile app that lets you sell items to people in your local area. It is also known for its safety and security features, which is important when selling items to strangers. Number 9, you want to sell items to friends and family. See, selling items to friends and family can be a quick and easy way to make a sale. Plus, you can often sell items at a higher price to people you know that understand the value of what you are selling. And number 10, flea markets. See, setting up a booth at a local flea market is also a great way to reach a large audience. With lots of foot traffic, you'll have a good chance of selling all of your items. So there you have it, the top 10 ways to sell items in your home. So whether you choose to sell online, at a garage sale, or through a consignment shop, there are plenty of options to choose from. Remember to do your research and choose the option that best works for you. Hopefully one of those ways can help benefit you this spring as you're doing your spring cleaning, as you're cleaning out your closet and finding things that you might not have ever seen before in a long time, potentially in years. So if you're pulling something out that you haven't seen in years, the truth is you could probably live without it. And if it's just sitting there taking room in your home or your storage and it is not going to use, well, sometimes by decluttering it and going ahead and turning it into cash could also help somebody else that actually may use that particular product. And think of all the intelligent things that you could do with the money. So since most people don't have savings, which I covered in a previous video, you could turn that into, say, a backup savings or an emergency fund. That's a great idea. Or you could take some of that money and say and invest it into something. say, like cryptocurrency as an example. I know people who have decluttered their home, invested in the cryptocurrencies. Over time, that cryptocurrency has grown and they have turned it into a substantially lot more income than the value of the things that they had sold. There is so many things to do with it. You can certainly pay a bill, or say you're behind on a bill. Certainly you want to do something to help maintain great credit. If that is something that you needed to do, that all makes sense. So regardless of the things that you can do with the money, the most important thing here is if you're going to declutter your space, you're going to get rid of some stuff, then once you go ahead and get something back for that stuff, that will give you back into the option of using that money for whatever you think is best. So hopefully this helps. It is springtime. Get excited. That sun's coming. Those flowers are growing. Until next time, holla at your boy. My name is Michael Wright. Thank you for your time. Have a good night.